Day 54. It is chaos in the cottage. But what a lovely morning. We slept super good and have a sauna for tonight. So Drevfjällstugan did us really good. And the outdoor toilet was good as well. So that feels fresh. Today I only think we got like 18 kilometers of walking to another cabin. So if we're lucky, it's free, so we can sleep in there. And we will start down there, and this high grass and high flowers, unfortunately. So here is not so clean up as around other cottages, but it was good. And the part we lived in is for rent. So if you live out in the big cottage, it's not for rent. That's for free, but in there it was for rent. So super good one, looking good.
Hello there. We started our hike quite late today, 10:30. So that's really late too. But we had 2 really rough days, and we think today is going to be a little bit easier. So we hope so. But it was a wet start, but now maybe it's a little bit drier. Is it wet up there then?
No, perfect.
Oh, it's perfect conditions. So a little bit easier day and another cabin. But we don't think so much today.
No.
I'm tired today. Like I said, we had a bit tough days.
Yeah.
The last ones.
Yeah, the last 3 days was long and tough, and yeah. But today it feels good. We have a nice cabin and a sauna-like feeling in that.
Yeah, it was really hot yesterday.
Yeah.
But still, though, that it was so hot, our clothes wasn't dry this morning. But yeah, and we have to see what this day holds for us. What? Oh, this was a difficult one. First pit stop of today, and all this beauty. So now we are at Treriksröset. So not a cabin, just like this shelter, but you have wood, you have a fire pit.
And maybe a cabin for rent up there.
Probably for rent.
Yeah.
But we are not, because we had just walked for 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And like 3 kilometers.
Yeah. We have apple, coffee, rice cake, and breadcrumbs.
Yeah, a couple of breads.
So when you get lost, you can
Yeah.
spread them.
Yeah.
Ah.
But this
Like,
is
like
perfect.
Hans och Greta, Hansel and Gretel.
Hansel
Yeah,
and Gretel,
yeah.
yeah. Same.
It's amazing with these flowers and the moss. What a color! The right sign, King's Trail. So we found a new resting spot, and we have 12 left to go today to Treriksröset. It's a good day, but it's very hot. in these pans. I will get rid of them now when we are here. And this is called Idpersätun. I don't know. You see there? An assistance phone. And there is a lot of assistance phones in these cabins. So if something happens, that are really, really nice. Oh. So there was a lock on that one. Not allowed in there. But look at this. Where are you?
In here.
In here.
Mind your head.
Yeah.
Whoa. That was a cute door. And of course, one of these
Beautiful.
heating cabins. What do you name?
Cabins.
Cabins.
I think so.
Fireplace.
Fireplace.
Yeah.
Thank you, Catherine. Of course, when we got to these resting places, I'm a bit tired.
Yeah.
And a lot of sweat actually, because it's so hot.
Yeah.
So now I'm going to get rid of the pants. Dan has done that.
Sitting so nice. And I need a little bit of water as well.
No guest book.
Delicious one.
Cheers. What is this? And it was wetlands again. But now I lost the orange dot, so I must find them. And look at this. Great crossing. Wow. Look, just flooding down there. It's so beautiful. Incredible. And the views here. And they even got the wood in the ground here. So that's, we all got wet feet. But it's nice to have this one to walk on. And now we follow the orange mark, because this is not the for some days we have followed the scooter trails with the crosses, but here is a little bit shorter hiking trail, and the scooter trail was maybe 3 or 4 kilometers longer. So this was super nice. And it's, look at this, the pathways down here are beautiful. And there, it's running again with full power. Nature is fantastic. We have stopped at so many beautiful places. It's so beautiful.
Or maybe it's
We
not-
are so thrilled. Look at this. Yeah. Ah. Can you see? It's a bear paw. Ooh.
Yeah,
Put your hand there. You can see how big it is. Beside it.
beside it.
Yes. Look at this.
But it's,
Finally, we saw a trace from a bear.
yeah, I'm excited. But I'm happy not to see the bear.
From a, he had run off.
Yeah.
But I'm so, it was fun. Happy day.
or the guy with the bear stand.
All day walking like this with incredible views, not so much elevation today. Small ups and downs of course, but everywhere around us is mountains, so I think we are down a little valley walking, and now I think it's like 4 or 5 kilometers to our cabin. We took it very easy today, a lot of breaks. Catherine is picking mushrooms, so that's nice as well, because me and Anna don't know anything about mushrooms, but she's a little bit of an expert, and she likes the mushroom picking, so maybe we get some mushrooms for dinner if she finds some. And the view here from the moss is beautiful. And a perfect breeze all day as well. So it don't get so hot, because when the sun is out here it's really, really hot. I even burned my forehead, so I have to pick up my bandana so I can use that all day tomorrow. But I thought we were gonna have a more of a forest hike today, but it was out in open fields like this, so and so many lakes. There's a lake over there again. It's so beautiful, and the water here is almost in every place we see, it's crystal clear. So now we just drink the water. We don't even filter it anymore, because you don't need it up here if it looks good. But the water looks absolutely perfect, and all the people we are talking to, no, we don't filter it anymore either, because it looks so clean, and it tastes good upstairs as well. So that feels good. And I think in 2 or 3 days we have reached the halfway point of Sweden, so that feels good as well. That's a compliment, a big accomplishment from me and Anna, and the lovely lady who's we have been joined up with for the last few days. She's going on the southern Kungsleden, södra Kungsleden, southern King's Trail. So, but we enjoy her company, she enjoys our company, so we said we will walk for a few days together and cheer each other on and tell stories about the world. And now we got water down here again. And here's mushrooms, a lot of them. But like I said, I don't know if those are edible, so I don't pick any mushrooms because I don't know anything. And from time to time they have this wooden boards to walk on, and that's nice as well, but it's very wet ground. So when we rest we try to dry up, and then we walk in the wet ground again. But here's one of all these beautiful bridges.
We're just standing here and admire the view. Another perfect evening. The time is already 6 in the evening, but look at the view.
Now we're here. Extra wide cabbage, or wide beds in this cabbage, in this cottage. We have cabbage here. We're gonna eat rice with salad, bell pepper, cucumber, and of course soy sauce. Now we're just enjoying our last day in the forest, and we're gonna walk to Flötningen tomorrow and sleep inside. And now we're drying all our clothes. The shoes are drying as well, and we got the fire started. So
And the shower is done.
yeah, the shower is done. We have done the shower down here, so I will show you the place. And look at this, super. Here's another door. Maybe that's for rental. And wooden shed. The wood shed is over there, but I have socks on me because my feet are freezing, so I put them on. And I will show you the beautiful shower place and water place. It's down here, so you can stand on the nice rocks there, and then you just take something to hit you up with a shower. And so tomorrow we walk that, oh, a beautiful lake. What a view we have here as well. So that cottage must be for rent. And a woodshed and toilet is over here, and here is a barbecue place. And we got 14 kilometers through Flötingen. Tomorrow is we have a little shop there, so we can do shopping, and we're gonna stay there for 2 nights. And the lovely lady from Germany gonna join us there as well, because we enjoy our company so much, so it's fun. And here is a big wooden shed. So here you can saw and chop your wood, because you always leave this cottage full with wood, so the next person don't have to go out here and take the woods, because maybe it's an emergency, because there's a scooter paths and skiing paths. So in the winter time you must always have a wood in the cottage, so they can get the heat up and going. And in the cottage, and every cottage as well, there are emergency kits, maybe noodles, maybe some chocolate cakes or rice or something like that. I always try to put in we bought bag rice, so I have put in 1 bag rice in not every location. In every location we have slept. And this cottage is 200 Swedish crowns per person. So nice price, and a super nice cottage. And and now it's, I think it's like 7 in the evening, and it's almost 16 degrees and a lot of mosquitoes. So tomorrow we walk to Flötingen, and this is the view for the night with this super nice cottage, and nice to have water running so close to here. So thumb up, make a nice comment, see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching all of our hiking adventures here through hiking Sweden. And we're DanAnna. Bye bye.